As we know that in our day-to-day life, we require appreciation by someone. With the help of appreciation, we get motivation to do something special work or extraordinary work. So here question arises that appreciation required or not. Okay, here debate group discussion point is appreciation is required or not. Okay, so students listen here. You know about appreciation means
प्रशंसा.
prashansa. Okay, so here question arises that what do you think? Is appreciation required or not?
Yes, appreciation is required.
Okay, you think about appreciation is required. You are
Appreciation is not required.
okay. What do you think?
Appreciation is not required.
Not required. Okay, so you are here team. So you come here. So now first you your short introduction and then start. Okay. Yes.
Hello friends, my name is Karina Gawas. I am from Dhakore and I have completed here 3 weeks and we talk about it. Appreciation is required or not, and my choice is appreciation is required. Hello friends, my name is Prachi Gavandi. I am from Reddy. I have completed here 3 weeks. Today we are talking about appreciation is required or not, and my choice is appreciation is not required.
Hello friends, my name is Pranjal Savan. I am from Reddy. Today we are going to tell you appreciation is required or not. My choice is appreciation is not required.
So as they told that they have completed here 3 weeks. So may they commit some mistakes, ignore their mistakes and cheer up them. Okay. So your debate point is group discussion point is what appreciation is required or not. Got it? So you have to talk confidently and without don't think about your mistakes. Just talk freely and confidently. Okay? Yes.
Yes, I think appreciation is more important in our day to day life because when we appreciated any person, any people, they or he get motivation to do this activity, do this work. So I think appreciation is more important.
Means she is talking about when we appreciate someone, then he or she gets motivation to do some extraordinary work. Okay, and get inspiration to do something special work. So that's why appreciation is required. Yeah. What do you think?
You're right, but some students get appreciate and their confidence turn into their overconfidence. They behave like I can do this. I didn't study and I will top in my class. I don't work and I will achieve success. I will get success. I can achieve my goals.
Okay, means you're talking about when we appreciate others, then sometimes they feel that means I'm a great. I had achieved a great success. No one can beat me. Okay, means he gets overconfident. Am I right? Okay, so we should do appreciation in limited way. Okay, while appreciating, we have to tell him or her that okay, you have done great work, but you can also do better than this. Got it? Also, we should give appreciation as well as motivation or inspiration. Got it?
Yes, Prachi is correct because of sometimes when parents appreciate their children, they be like, "Yeah, I am the greatest one." So I think appreciation is good, but at the medium level because when we get the high level of appreciation, they think I am the greatest one.
Okay, greatest one. Yeah. So, as I told before, sorry, just try. So, as I told before, we have to do appreciation in limited way. Okay, while appreciating, we should explain that you can do better than this. Okay.
Yes, you are correct. Appreciation is good, but not to high level. But when we appreciated children, they get motivation to do this activity, like cycling, participating in game, and that reason they win this game. They do good well work. So I think appreciation is good for children and any person.
Yeah, okay. So, with appreciation, we give other motivation to do. Means with the appreciation, we should teach them to do something extracurriculum activities. Okay, so that is very important in their life. Okay, mostly school level, college level children.
Yes, Karina, you are right. But sometimes when children get appreciate and they won the game, they think I am the greatest one. That's why I won this game. So no one can beat me. That's why I play this game and I won this game. So I think appreciation is good at that time when they get when they required winning sense. But sometimes when they get over attitude, over smartness and over confidence, they become loser and loser, and they be like their confidence get too low. They think I have the best confidence, but they didn't have their confidence that they think.
Means sometimes they concentrate on their appreciation. They don't concentrate their work. Okay, when they get more appreciation, then they concentrate only their attitude. Okay, or their appreciation, but that time they are distract from their work. Okay, while they are playing, they distract from their game. While studying, they distract from their study. Okay, so also students should be understand that appreciation is not permanent. If I want this appreciation continuously, then I must do something special work, or I must do hard works for it. Got it?
Yes, you are correct, but all children are not same. Many children are sensitive, emotional. When we don't get appreciated them, don't appreciate, then they are nervous. They are going depression, and many time many children do suicide attempt, and then their parents realize to how big mistake they do.
Yes, but parents should be know to give them love. Appreciation is the part of success. You are right, but we must give them support and love. Then they can't get decision to suicide attempts. So I think appreciation is the part of success, but we must give them support and confidence plus love.
Yeah, okay. Yes, she's talking about love is very important. Okay, so when student return from their school, then parents should ask how was your day, or what did you do today, which fun did you make, what did you make fun with your friends. Okay, that question is the loving sense related the love. So parents should ask what the nowadays modern parents are doing, what did teach today. Okay, did you solve or not activities, all activities. So what happens, sometimes students goes in depression. Okay, sometimes student goes in depression and they suicide attempt. So love is important, they should love on their children. Then they when parents love on their children, then they don't hide anything. They openly tell, they openly discuss with their parents. Got it? So that time actually told that love is important. Yeah.
You are okay, but not also child. You are correct, but not also child. Many times, many big person like employee, when boss motivate, inspire employee, then they they have good work, do good work, and many times many meetings project handle good way.
Good way. Okay. So yes, means when boss appreciates employee, then employee thinks that this is my home, this is my family. Okay, so I should give 100% dedication for this work. Okay, I should do best work. I should turn this company in a top level. Okay, when happen that when boss appreciates to employee, got it, that time happen. So appreciation, actually told that appreciation is required.
You're right, but sometimes some employee get appreciate from boss. They behave rude with other employees. Like I am the greatest one. I am the boss favorite employee, and everyone can listen to me.
Yeah, okay, means she's talking about when boss appreciates, then anyone employee thinks that I am the boss of this company, and his confidence turn into overconfidence. Okay, and that's why appreciation should be limited way. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, Prachi is correct. Yeah, and sometimes when boss appreciate their employee, they think like as Prachi said. They think like as Prachi said. When boss doesn't appreciate their employee, they think, yeah, I can do this work by other side at my good way. When boss said, yeah, you can do this work, so I think you will do this work. And when they get support, they think this office is like my home house, so and my family, so I can do everything like my family, so I will give everything to my office. Then they give 100% of their work, and they give their best side of their work.
Okay. Means sometime what happens when we don't get appreciation. Suppose if you talk about the one class, one student gets appreciation from teacher. Okay, so other students, so what they are thinking about, I also must get appreciation from my teachers. Okay, so I should do better work. Got it? So, that's why also it's happened sometime in company. When boss appreciate one employee, when the boss promoted, uh, when boss gives promotion to one employee, then other employees also think that I should do something special work to get this achievement, to get this post. Okay. Yes.
Yes, you are correct. But all employee doesn't think don't think same. Uh, and boss should every employee appreciate. Then no one can realize,
Things.
no one can think. Boss only one employee appreciate. So you are correct, but boss appreciated every employee.
Boss should.
Boss should appreciated every employee in company.
Okay, means she's talking about if boss appreciates only one employee, then it can create the partiality in one company. Okay, so boss should appreciate to every employee.
You are correct, but sometimes when boss appreciate to uh, all employee, they think, yeah, boss is giving me some work, so I can do this, that you say. But uh, sometimes they think they are doing partiality, but when they think this is not the partiality, they give their work, so when I can do my best work, they will also give me this like work like this, so I can give my best to all my works that boss given me.
Yeah, okay. Means I'm giving one example. In one class, teacher appreciates Pranjal. Okay, teacher appreciates Pranjal. Then what happened? Other also thinks that why why shouldn't teacher appreciate me? Okay, so I should do also something better. Then teacher will appreciate like Pranjal. Teacher will appreciate me like Pranjal. Got it?
Okay, you are correct. But suppose boss appreciated no one, then no one can do good work. No one can attend meetings. They ignore their meetings, their project, and then losses for company.
Yeah.
So boss should be appreciate every employee.
Yeah, okay. Means in one company, boss doesn't appreciate employees, then what will happen? The atmosphere will be down. Atmosphere will be damaged, or they don't get positivity to do their work. Got it? Yes.
Yes, Karina, you are telling right. But when boss give appreciate to everyone, they can do their work properly. But sometimes some dumb people think I'm the greatest one, so that's why they can't do anything. They give all work to their other employees. So I think appreciation is good in limited way. So that's why I want to tell appreciation is good. I don't tell appreciation is not too much bad, but it's also some bad decisions in the appreciation. So that's why I think appreciation is good, but not too much.
Yeah. Also, in company, in class, also in family, they should see that their students, their employees, their workers, how did they get this achievement, how did they get success, they should be see, then after they should appreciate. Got it? Sometimes somehow we can't refuse that. Sometimes student pass by coughing. Okay, or boss or employee achieved this success by cheating. Got it? So everyone should see how this achievement, is it is he capable for this appreciation or not? Got it? Yeah. Appreciates. Yeah.
Yeah, I think appreciation is not only the answer of success. We must be give them motivation and do teach them how to do this work properly.
Yeah. Okay. Sometimes what happen? We shouldn't stop to motivate them. We shouldn't stop to appreciate them. We should say that you can do better than this. So you should try. You must try for achieving something better. Got it? Understood? With motivation, we should give this knowledge.
For example, two friends in 10th class. First friend name Raman and second friend name Rohan. Uh, Raman get in 10th 90% and Rohan gets 60%. Everyone appreciate Raman, but no one can appreciate Rohan. And then Raman think I am the best. I can do anything. I don't study and I will top in 12th. And he doesn't study. He enjoy his life. But Rohan doing hard work. He doing hard work. He think I can do this. And after 1 year, they two friends go to 12th and uh, they will give exam. After exam, in result, Rohan gets 60% and Raman gets 60% and Rohan gets 99%, and everyone appreciate it. And I think appreciation is important, but not for everyone, at the limited way.
Limited way. And while appreciating, we should see that how did he or she achieve this success, in bad way or good way. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, you are correct. But you tell me, when we don't appreciate anyone, in that
Appreciate, huh?
appreciate anyone, that situation, other student or other people, what can they do?
Yeah, yeah. What can they do?
Yes, they can do by their mind, because of when we can't appreciate them, they be like, yeah, there are some mistakes in my teaching sense, my doing sense, my explaining sense, so I can give my best to this work. So they be like, appreciation is not required for anyone. I think appreciation is required for not anyone. Appreciation is required for some people, and if we appreciate someone and we give support and love with our heart, then they will definitely give their best work to all. And I think appreciation is not only the answer of the success.
Means she's talking about when we don't give appreciation, when we don't appreciate to others, then they will think about that I should do something better. With this curiosity, they can do something special work. But actually told that appreciation is required. Okay. When suppose if any student get 90% or 99%, and he means he doesn't get, or he didn't get appreciation from their parents, students, teacher, then he will think about that it is useless to get this achievement. Got it? So that time appreciation is required.
Yes, appreciation is required, but in the limited way, because some people will like, everyone is appreciating me, so I am the greatest one, and they can't do anything. When we when we don't appreciate anyone, we tell them how to do this work. They think, yeah, they are telling me the best way to do this work. I will definitely teach that work, because I want to grow up in my success.
Yeah, okay, very good, excellent. Yeah, grow up in my success. Very good, your point. Yeah, but yes, appreciation is required, but in limited way. And in 3 weeks, you have developed your English well. Okay. I know there were mistakes. You will recover, and I really appreciate. And thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe. And so thanks once again. Thanks.